Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to share the story of my failed attempt at making my own spiral swirl soap. I crafted a soap mold simply from paper and plastic sheets. Using exercise equipment as a base for spinning the soap mold. I prepared the soap ingredients, separated them into two colors, yellow and black. Placing the color divider in the middle of the mold. I removed it to let the colors mix. I put the mold on the base and spun it to create the swirling pattern. However, I wanted the colors to flow more like a yin-yang. The spinning got more intense. But then, the soap spilled. I felt sad as I put the soap back in the cup. I added more colored powder and found that it didn't help get better. I poured soap into the mold and drew a pattern and found that it was not different. So I left the soap like that. I let the soap sit for 2 days, and when they finally hardened, I examined them, reflecting on the lessons learned. Despite the setback, I cut and stored the soaps for future projects. Thank you for following along. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave a comment as well.